Network layer switching techniques. Circuit switching. Circuit switching, a dedicated communication path circuit, is established between sender and receiver for the entire duration of communication. How it works: like a telephone call, a fixed path is reserved before data transfer starts. Features: path remains reserved, no sharing with others. Data arrives in order. Wastes resources if no data is being transmitted. Advantages: guaranteed bandwidth and low delay once circuit is established. Simple and predictable. Disadvantages: setup time is required before communication starts. Inefficient use of bandwidth, idle time still blocks the circuit. Example: traditional telephone networks. A message switching node is typically a general-purpose computer. The device needs sufficient secondary storage capacity to store the incoming messages, which could be long. A time delay is introduced using this type of scheme due to store and forward time, plus the time required to find the next node in the transmission path. A message switching node is typically a general-purpose computer. The device needs sufficient secondary storage capacity to store the incoming messages, which could be long. A time delay is introduced using this type of scheme due to store and forward time, plus the time required to find the next node in the transmission path. Packet switching can be seen as a solution that tries to combine the advantages of message and circuit switching and to minimize the disadvantages of both. There are two methods of packet switching: datagram and virtual circuit. In both packet switching methods, a message is broken into small parts, called packets. Each packet is tagged with appropriate source and destination addresses. Since packets have a strictly defined maximum length, they can be stored in main memory instead of disk, therefore access delay and cost are minimized. Also, the transmission speeds between nodes are optimized. With current technology, packets are generally accepted onto the network on a first-come, first-served basis. If the network becomes overloaded, packets are delayed or discarded. Advantages: packet switching is cost-effective because switching devices do not need massive amount of secondary storage. Packet switching offers improved delay characteristics because there are no long messages in the queue. Maximum packet size is fixed. Packet can be rerouted if there is any problem, such as busy or disabled links. The advantage of packet switching is that many network users can share the same channel at the same time. Packet switching can maximize link efficiency by making optimal use of link bandwidth.